What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So the big lawsuit between Uber and Google slash Waymo, the subsidiary for Google's autonomous driving program, has been settled. Now, I know there are other vloggers and bloggers out there that have already done a video about it, and I chose not to. And I got a lot of people asking me, why aren't you reporting on this huge issue? And the reason is, does it affect you at all? Does this lawsuit between Google and Uber directly affect you, the driver, at all? No. I'll tell you what, though. This video is great for views. This video will get a lot of views. It will, which will automatically, translate into more money for my channel. Which I don't care anymore. I just don't. I don't care about the views anymore. There are other people. There are a million channels cropping up all over YouTube, and I'm fine with that. I welcome all of the people that want to come into this space and do videos and help keep the community updated and connect with one another. I'm totally for that. But from my perspective, somebody that has been doing this since day one for over 4 years, that has built an organic subscriber base, and what I mean by that is a subscriber base that I did not pay for. I did not use social media advertising to promote my videos. I grew all of you loyal subscribers that I appreciate and love and adore naturally. Worked very hard, and I appreciate every one of you. But I see all these other channels cropping up, and videos are being posted like every 10 minutes. So for someone like me, I consider myself a veteran here. I've been in this space longer than anybody else, I believe. I may not be correct on that, but I believe I've been doing this Uber-related content since before anybody else did. It's kind of overwhelming when you see 100 different people posting on the same video, and you know what it does? It just generates views, and that's great. I make enough money now, and this is not bragging in any way, shape, or form. It's just fact. I make enough money now that I don't need to sit here and constantly make videos to get people to watch them, especially if it's not going to affect you. I know the Google lawsuit is huge. Believe me, I know that. It's a big deal, but it doesn't affect you, and it doesn't affect me. But since I've got a lot of subscribers that seem to be upset because I'm doing a lot of other videos and I did not report on this, I decided to go ahead and make this video because I was asked to. But had I not been requested to make this video, I wasn't going to do it. It is big news, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. They settled for, what, $250 million? That's chump change. Not for me. That's chump change for Uber. That is definitely chump change for Google. So, I don't know the specifics. I didn't even read the article. I saw the headline. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, whatever. It's not worth it. This in no way, shape, or form is going to affect how you make money. This will not affect your earnings. This will not affect your ability to drive. Doesn't change anything. So I didn't see the reason in reporting on it. I don't understand why they settled. This was such a huge deal, and this was a big, serious thing. And now suddenly for $250 million, they settled it. Chump change for Uber, chump change for Google. There's got to be more to the story. Personally, I don't care what it is. It doesn't affect you guys, and it really doesn't affect me. So I didn't see a reason doing the video. But here's the video. The lawsuit is settled. It's going to generate views. That's great. That's awesome. But I wanted you guys to understand, I don't care so much about getting views on things that are not going to affect you. Now, if a statement was released tomorrow that said, hey, Uber is going to raise the rates, or Lyft is raising the rates, or the federal government is stepping in and setting a minimum rate for all drivers, something that, or drivers unionize. Not that that would ever happen, but something big like that, sure, I'll do a video on it. But for right now, I don't see the point. And maybe part of it is I'm getting a little burned out. I've been doing this a long time. There's a lot of new blood, that's jumping into this. And, good for them. This is a great opportunity for them to build their subscriber base. But for me, if it's not big news, I don't see the reason in reporting on it. And I wouldn't have done this if you guys hadn't been all over me to make this video. So I'm going to do another video here in just a few minutes for you guys where I explain some things. So keep an eye out for that. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there. Uber and Lyft on.